Hello everyone, this week and today I'm going to show you something like this. Okay, so guys, follow the steps and make sure you do the same thing I'm going to show you. Exactly this I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the image and I'm going to show you things you need to put in this image. Okay, I got a video on you can learn my privacy videos you can learn. Okay, but I'm going to start doing something different to show you how to work with the lips, the eye, the eyebrows, and a lot of things about this image. Okay, so I prefer all the time to duplicate my image first before I start just making my stuffs. Okay, you can name it any 1 2 3. Okay, but I don't do that. So there's a lot of things you need to change about this image. So first, all the thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna choose the face color. Okay, we're going to use the eye drop to change the face color. Okay, to choose the face color, then we move to the mixer brush tool. So when you get to that, make sure you click on it first to allow this to just be empty. If not, you can make it like this or turn this off. Don't let it to be like this or it will cover this IP. So you turn this off. Okay, so when you're done with it, just zoom it and zoom this a little bit and just start working on it. Okay, there's a lot of things I'm going to show you about this image. Okay, have you seen it? Anytime you work on it, just zoom it out and check if everything is just correct. Okay, when you see that everything is just correct, make sure you just work on it and take your time. Follow the same thing I'm just working on. Okay, don't speed too much. So when you get to this side, you need to push it like this and here like that. Okay, don't mess it up. And here too, it's going to follow the same thing, and then you should make it like I showed you. No plugin, I'm showing you how to work on it, and then check it before and after. Okay, when you get to that, always try to fix the place which was the place was messed up, and then correct it. Okay, don't allow anything to be there. So this is how I used to just work on the face. So it comes to this place. Okay, make sure you just take your time to follow the lines. Yeah, and let's see before, after. Okay, and here too, gonna do the same thing. And anytime you see this hair, you take it out. Okay, like this, like I did. Okay, and let's see before and after. Yes, and I'm going to take here this mess up out. Okay, so I think this is how we're going to play with it. And here too, this is wrong, so we're going to take this to out and straight it. Okay, yes. So this good. So anytime you're just working on it, take your time and make sure you just follow the process and give everything straight. Okay, so anytime you just work on this process, okay, make sure you just give it straight and make sure you get everything correct. So let's see before and after. Before and after. Yeah, that's great. Before and after. Before and after. Okay, so when you get to this side, okay, make sure here we're going to do the dodging band, and I'm going to duplicate this image. Control plus J and another J again, and make sure you hide all this and keep it this one. Okay, when you keep it this one, make sure you choose the dodge tool. Then you check the exposure and make the exposure to 60. Then you start working on it. I want to get the shiny place, so let me just bring this one and follow it. Oh no, just bring the last one and follow it. Okay, so here, and let's see, and here again. Then see again, and here. Okay, everything just correct for that. So when you're done with this, make sure you just follow the process well, because that's how we used to. Work on it. See, before and after. So when you get to this, okay, make sure you duplicate this, the last one, Control plus J, and then you drag it to the top here. When you drag it to the top here, make sure you choose this, the piece 2, and then you take all this out. Or if you think this one is not gonna help you, make sure you choose the first one, the spot 2. Okay, then you click on it. Let's forget about this one. Okay, so I'm going to give you tips how you can to work on it correctly. So when you're done with this, I don't think this one's too much. So when you're done with this, okay, send this to black and white. Okay, image adjustment, black and white. That's it. Okay, and then you move to filter and move to order and high pass. When you get to the high pass, make sure you follow it. It depends about the image you're going to use. Some is 4K, some is 8K, and some is 6K and 2K. So I don't know which one you're going to use, but I'm using this image to show you how to work on it. Okay, so I think I prefer to make it 1.7. Then I'll click on it and I will go to normal. So when you get to the normal, change to linear light. Okay, so when you get to linear light, back and see. So let me see before and after. Okay, I think we need to go back again. So I'll try something again to fix it, because I think I need to make it, I need to push it to make it 2.3. So when I get to the 2.3, let me see. Okay, before, after. Okay, so when I get to this point, add them together. So when you add them together, okay, when you add them together, make sure you choose those two, this two, and then step on the eye. Okay, I'm showing the easy way. So when you step on the eye, see, when you step on it, choose the mixer brush tool and turn this one to white. Okay, the color to white. So when you get to white, reduce it, the size, and make sure you will just work on it correctly and don't do any mistake to mess up with it. So let's see before and after, and here too you're gonna do the same thing I showed you. Don't stress too much, okay? Then when you get to this side, just you can push it, okay, but make it gentle. Okay, so let's see before and after. So when we get to this, we go to work on this lips, okay? So when you get to this, make sure you choose this brush, okay, this the third one, and then make sure you crop it like this, then Ctrl J, so it's going to cut all the mouth side, and then move to adjustment, hue and saturation. So when you get to the hue and saturation, you can change it into any color, okay? This is how I used to make my colors perfect, okay, to make the lips. I don't stress too much. Then I hit OK, eraser tool. So when you get to the eraser tool, make sure you make it the opacity 100%. When I get to 100%, clean it, the side and side, the down, the top. So when you're done with it, always check and see the before and the after, and then add them together. When you add them together, move to this brush, the pen tool. When I move to the pen tool, click on it, okay, click on it like this, and then hit Ctrl T, sorry, and hit Ctrl J, and another Ctrl J, and hold shift around the side and click. So when you click, you're gonna get something like this, okay, so that you can just push the mouth line. So I just want there to be straight like this, and here. So when you get to this point, let's see before and after. When you get to that, change move to the level and make sure you just duck that side a little bit, and this side too, so that it will show, okay, and hit OK. Let's say before and after, okay. So when you get to that, don't stress too much, and then use the dot tool to just brighten the lines, the white lines, then bring a letter here back. Let's see before and after. So when you get to that, add them together. When you add them together, okay, when you add them together, make sure you're going to take all this thing out. So this is how I used to just take all that out. I choose the mixer brush tool, then here is now the way you need to take it. So I was like, when you want to work on this, make sure you just work on the face. How would I show you on the the first start, the way I used the mixer brush showed you to take all this thing out before, because this one is wrong. It will take all the textures out, okay, so don't follow it the same, but I'm showing you how you're going to do it, okay. So anytime you work on it, check it before and after, you see the difference, and this is the same thing you're going to do here, okay. Sorry that my images the distance down, but I'm just showing you how to do it, okay. So when you work on it, make sure you follow this process, or you can get any plugin you want to start with it. But if you want to start and learn everything from scratch, I'm here for you, okay. So this is how you're gonna do every single thing. So let's see before and after, yeah. So I'm going to continue to show you the parts you need to add to it again.